My S26 Ultra case or phone finally arrived, and now I can show you the case. So this again is for the S26 Ultra. And all I do to put the phone in here is I start at the top like this, tuck it in the corners, and then I go ahead and push down. Let me just show you. You've got S Pen feature there, your charger access there. We've got the buttons. These all line up perfectly. And then, of course, we have got the back protection for your camera lenses. That is right there. That slides and locks both ways. And then you've got the slot for ID, credit cards, even a little cash if you fold it up. So also it includes that RFID protection. So a really, really nice case in this beautiful purple color. I think you're absolutely going to love it.